Yeah, here with Jimmy Oaks. He's kind of low. Exactly. What's up, guys? He's on a lot of Adam LZ's video. Yeah, that's me. He's got a sick 300ZX. It's alright. Harrison just vacuumed the car, and it looks pretty good. It's not all dirty. So, the interior is looking clean. Alright, so right now, sorry if it's bumpy and loud, but I'm on my way to Tony's house. I was supposed to be there like an hour ago. Fixing the trailer right before the show.
It's not fixing it, it's the last minute adjustments.
Adjustments. Got the crazy rat Miata. Go follow Desanti Off-Road on Instagram. He's got a sick Jeep. And he hooked Tony up with a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, get that. Oh yeah. We are going, dude. Alright, we just met, we're on our way now. Tony's up there. We just met up with Ryan. Time to go. Just keep going. The convoy, dude. That little homie's bike. We can put the top back down. Do you want it real quick? It's just a bread fest. That guy just has. That guy just. Wow, look at all those trees. Oh, Ben, what? That's you and Tony's store. What? The meat store. Oh, the police are here. The blown clutch light. That's actually... just so we can be loud. Yeah! It's so dusty, dude. It's so dusty. Why are people rolling in? I don't get it. For the show. What do you mean? They're gonna line up the nicest cars. Oh, really? Look at that. Deuce and a half. Military Deuce and a half, dude. Did you just see it roll Magpul? Deuce and a half towing an F-350. Yeah, baby. Give it one big one.
You mind if I redline this car?
Go for it.
I wanted to make sure. I know some people get mad. You can do it one more time. Everybody get ready.
Oh my God! What?
He lost his fucking...
He just shot his license plate off. Dude. Oh.
That's Jimmy.
Jimmy who?
Jimmy Oaks. I know.
12 in the morning, pop shells for a living and berry gon' smell blood trail. Every minute rogue wave, and you niggas no fair. When I hit them, every time I see it big, I don't hesitate to kill them. Ain't nobody give a fuck about a rule. Either get diplomas of a tool. I'm a cool with my youngest no boo. When I spring in this cage, you fuckers fuck a gang affiliated with nothing but my name. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah. People be starving and people be killing for food with that crack and that spoon. But these rich motherfuckers, they stay eating good, dropping waste, living good. Holding stick locks, but you been a bitch. Sucking thick cock, fucking grip walk, hit a strip like in Bangkok. Never ever see me ever trip, but a little brat. See me on the TV screaming, bitch, you a damn fraud. And you don't wanna fuck with a chick like me. When I pull up in that Maserati, better duck for your brain splatter on the concrete. I'ma hit you with that 4-5 bullet, hit your neck, run the bow tie, looking like a thriller film, bitch. I'ma go right back with the clip, and I know you be shaking. Don't test me or I'ma just click at your noggin. Man, I don't give a fuck about a